What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. What a go on? How no a deal with? How no there? How no stay? How is the weather where you are today? Because right now, a beer in a fall which brought me there. However, guys, me in the kitchen today, and me a season up some chicken to make some brown stew chicken, finger licking chicken. Me a make in the kitchen. And guys, me say me go to one store today. And look where me find Jamaica favorite water crackers. Yes, guys, so me find some water crackers today, and you don't know, we go just eat them. What me really buy them for is to make some steamed fish with crackers and thing. So me I say, so welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, how no do, how no stay, no. Alright. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So what we go do today, we go talk and season up this chicken here. Yeah man, me I season up with chicken, so me have some time over here, so. And cause today me I go season up. Today me I make sauce too. So today is a sauce day. Yeah, me go me get some, have a whole heap of orders for sauce. So me I go make some sauce also. So during seasoning this chicken, me I go do some talking. Yeah man, we are going to talk about something. So welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do, how no stay out there. Guys, remember, mental health crisis is a serious issue. Yeah man, mental health crisis. And coming up guys, there's a video that I'm about to show you all. Not in this one, that can show you how mental health can take you off. Mental health don't just attack you because of who you is and who you are and how much money you have. No, mental health is mental health. Yeah man, mental health crisis is not a joke, it's a serious thing. But guys, I see a video today where Knife Ninja make, and I want to talk to Knife Ninja about that video. Him say it's the last video I'm gonna make towards everything we are going on social media, towards him and such man. That's the new name Knife Ninja call Colaz Smith. Yeah? Call him all kind of name. He say him is a cult leader. So now he say now call Colaz Smith name. Colaz Smith now name such man. But Knife Ninja, what I want to say to you is, I want to ask you a question, you see? I want to ask you if your channel is a feeding the homeless channel. Is that what your channel is about? Or your channel is a channel to show off you, Knife Ninja? What kind of channel are you having? Because as far as me concerned, your channel now is only about feeding people and collecting donation and asking for donation and asking for sponsors. That's all me see you do on your channel right now. Knife Ninja, me go say something to you. See, you say Colaz no pay your rent, and you come out 3 weeks after Colaz Smith make that video and say Colaz no pay your rent. Me go say something to you. If any man, any man or woman come out and say them pay my rent, when them not pay my rent, the same day that individual said them pay my rent, me, I go come out and with a video and say, yo, no tell no lie, brother. You no pay me rent. But you wait 3 weeks after. 3 weeks after you wait. If you say, Colaz no pay rent. And the way how you say it, you never say it with any body behind it. You just say, you don't pay me rent. And that's it. That's not sound good right there, sir. Take that to court, you're going to lose the case. Also, you say something where she got me brain a little bit. In other words, you push me back a little bit like, huh? When you use the terms and you say, you are called Colaz right through Melissa, and Colaz no answer, none at all. You say you are called Colaz, cuz boy are called Colaz, and your brother there, no Whistle are called Colaz. So are you telling me that three people are called Colaz, and up till right through Melissa, Colaz never answer you, cuz boy or Whistle? None at all? All right. Let me continue with this part. Because if you say Colaz no answer none of the three of you, none of you at all, then that means Colaz done with you then. That sound good, don't it? That sound like Colaz done with you. Then, now if Colaz done with you, then, and you, because as far as me concerned, if me and a man a business partner or me a work for him, and me a contact him and me a call him, and him not answer me none at all, me a go believe say him done with me. So why would I try to contact him even when him, because if me call somebody 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days out of a week and them not answer me none at all, but me see them and make videos, that alone would tell me that that individual don't want to talk to me, don't it? My viewers and subscribers, what you all think about that? However, you say when you go and work with, I can't remember the name of that person you say you go and do something with. But when you go and you do something with the other guy in a Melissa, and you post up a video, you say it cause a big problem. Now, if it cause a big problem, when you go so elsewhere and make a content, so why would it be a problem with you and Colaz Smith when you are called Colaz Smith during Melissa, but Colaz Smith never had an answer? Make that make some form of sense to anybody where I listen. If Colaz Smith not answer you, then you go work with the next brother. Then Colaz Smith come and cause problem. Why would Colaz cause problem when he never did answer you? And he never did answer Whisper? No, not Whisper, Whistle. And he never did answer Cuz Boy. So he not answer none of the three of you. But when you go work with somebody, and then Colaz have it as a problem between you and him, it don't make no sense to me. That does not make any sense at all. Listen me good again. It no make no sense to me at all. If you go in front of judge with that, the judge go run you out of the court or send you to prison. Because there's no way you are call a man for how long and him not answer you, and then you go do something and him have a problem with it. And as a matter of fact, you say Colaz write up a contract. Read over the contract, because you must still have it. Read over the contract and see if the contract said at no time you cannot work with anybody while working with me. If the contract said that, then that's different. But if the contract never say you can't go work with nobody, let me help you out. There's a guy who play soccer in England. Chong. Him play for Tottenham Hotspur. Yeah? They can't call him. Him play for it. And one day a girl asked him to take a picture with him. With him in the picture. The girl was using a iPhone. The girl was using a iPhone, and he told that girl he cannot be in that picture along with the girl. The girl have to take the picture with him, like take it, but the girl cannot take the picture like selfie with him in there. You know why? Because he have a contract with Samsung. So he's not supposed to be seen touching, holding a iPhone. Yeah, that's how contract is. So if the contract that Colaz right give you, don't say nothing about you cannot go with any other content creator or any blogger or anybody, then you have no say, brother. Because I can't get the body of how can you are called Colaz Smith and him not answer. But you go and work with somebody and then it's a problem. How that can be? How can that be a problem when Colaz not answer you? Because if Colaz not answer you, that means there is an issue. Now you say, Colaz, you say you could have talked all kind of something about Colaz's personal life. And Colaz, diss up your mother and diss up your family, like him feed them and all kind of something. So is that the reason why you come out and make this video that you say is the last video? Because let me say this to you. You're not doing it on your own. You're doing it because somebody else is pushing you. You have to be a man and stand up as a man and make your own videos and talk your own things out of your own mouth and stop make, by name, Whistle, stop make Whistle push you, because a Whistle push you to all of this. You know? Remember, a Whistle push you for thief the money too. A Whistle push you for take the money, cause boy have a little bit of say in it. But Whistle is the one who push you to do all of this stupidness what you are doing. Now let me say this to you. You say it's from a while you are thinking about the left Colaz. Now let me say this to you, see. If you did not think about the left Colaz long time, I'm gonna help you out. You really and truly, guys, listen me good enough. Me not tell no lie, and me will never tell any lie. But I no lie him a tell when I hear him say, and I know him a try, he want left Colaz. It's true. Don't ask me how me know that, because I won't tell you no. It's true. It's not lie him a tell. And I know he want left. He want left long time. He want left from, I can't fully remember right now, but I can't tell you in the specific month. If me go back in my book what I have over there, I can't tell you the exact month where him want to left. Hold on, let me help on out. Let me help on out a little bit. He want to left little bit. He want to left about 3 months before. I don't want to call nobody name. But you don't remember the Murphy situation, eh? You don't remember that? He want left about 2 months before the Murphy situation. If you don't understand what I mean. Yes, he want left long time. But him never know how to do it. Because him know say him cannot get any, he can't make no money, he can't get up on his foot by himself. Guys, before me go no further, let me say something to you, you see. Me receive a call from a lady, you see, and the lady said to me, Rodney, me know you have a lot pan Knife Ninja. Me go ask you if you don't make no video with the information that you have out there towards Knife Ninja and all of them. And I said, why you say that? And this lady said to me, remember Knife Ninja, I've been kids them. I stop her right there and I say, but so Colaz don't have them kids them too? She said, yeah, but in Knife Ninja case, it is different. In Knife Ninja cases, it's different because Colaz Smith is bigger than Knife Ninja. Colaz Smith have more people that follow him than Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja is under pressure. So me say, and Mark, you know, this person, when me are telling about, you know, I have no idea if this person know or deal with Knife Ninja. However, I explain to this lady and I say to her, I say, listen me good now. I'm a content creator. I'm going to make content when I feel like, how I feel like. If I see that content is going to cause problem, I will think about it before I make it. And to be honest with you, when I look at Knife Ninja, I see how him look. I see how him operate. Him need help. Him need help. Knife Ninja need financial help. And Knife Ninja will do, and I don't think he will cause anything bad, like to do bad things. However, the reason why he take those money was because of Colaz Smith, and because he knew Colaz Smith wasn't going to beat him or say nothing to him, because he knew Colaz Smith respect him. It's just that he, Knife Ninja, did not respect Colaz Smith. Now, let me say this to you, Knife Ninja. Your channel that you have, you turn the channel into a feeding channel. And I go explain something to you. You realize them a beat you about this money where somebody send to you to give to this person. Why do you think them beating you? I see people send money to give content creator to hand to people, and they count that money out. They count that money out. You did not do that, so that's why these people is doing it like that. Watch this. Watch this, Knife Ninja, and you will see what me I talk about. What's the difference? Watch it while me season up the chicken.
What they are? Where are you going with?
I want with nothing.
They are pass through.
Yes, that message.
Eh, so you get through this now, where man?
Yes. Make it true again, Papa.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man. Make it true with it, man.
Everything good?
Yes, man. So far.
Mm-hmm. May I pass through still?
Yes, man.
I'm sorry, because you're over there now.
Ah, she was right beside you.
Yes, Miss Erica, reach out to me, you know?
Yes,
You
yes.
bless her with this, 15,000.
Yes,
So I go on?
yes,
So a 5? What? A 5?
yes,
10?
yes.
15.
You see that? Nice.
Yeah,
You see
that
the
means-
difference?
Can't tell him
That's
how to
the
start
difference.
out making here.
When somebody
Okay,
send money
Miss
to you,
Erica, thank you,
to
and
give to
God
somebody,
bless you.
you don't
Yeah,
highly
man.
cut,
I'm
highly
glad
cut.
for it, too.
You count it out.
So you can buy your time,
And let that person
paper.
and the next end know that yes, you did give that person. If they send 100 US, when you get it, you get what, 15 or 16,000. You count it out. If you get some 500, some 5,000, you count it out and you hand it to those people. You don't just pile it up in your hand and hand it to them like that. That's what causing the problem. But let me say something to you, see, another thing we go say to you. You have a channel. You need to go out there and make videos. Show the place. You only going out there making videos about feeding these people and talking about how it's for the people. You're not doing it for the people. You're doing it for yourself. You're doing it for yourself. And I go say something to you, Knife Ninja. Collecting money from people is very dangerous. Let me tell you what I did. I collect 530 something dollars when Melissa time. I wanted to collect more. People tell people, make videos and said, don't give him any money. People don't give me any money. That's how it is. So what I did, I put some more money on it, piece up the money, $200 a piece, and send it to people. I have receipts and everything. The thing that I didn't do is I did not post the receipt, which I wasn't going to post the receipt because I'm not posting a receipt with people's name on it. I didn't even make a video when I go into the Western Union. No, I didn't even do that. All I do was go to the Western Union, send these money to these people. People call me thief. People say them I go call all kind of people. The next time I do something like that, I'm going to have everything written down on paper, written down to show, yes, this, yes, that. So you see what you are doing? It make no sense. It's showing people that you want the money. The money is what you want. You need to have a book where you put the money in a show how much money you get, when you get the money, and what you spend it to do. Because remember, it's people sending them hard working money to you to buy food. You are do something where you don't understand. You do not understand. And you are listening to people who do understand, either people who hate and dislike Colaz Smith. Now, as a content creator, I say, because me is not a reactor. I notice me not react to people video. Me make a video. Yeah, me not react to people video. Me make video. I can be called blogger, content creator, what you call it, everything. It's only because I don't really put out my lifestyle pan it yet. Because I have only a video where me mad to put up some of them, I'm going to put them on a different channel. However, you need to think about what you are doing and stop this stupidness. Because to be honest with you, it make no sense. Your whole channel become a feeding channel and you don't have the money. What are you? Listen to me, guy. Listen to me. Can you claim say you have sense, you know? But me glad you are listening. Me glad you are listening and watch people video. Because me yeah say to who you not call nobody name on your channel. Because you not give nobody no highlight. Me no. Like me don't know who you are talk still, but me not check the highlight from people channel. Me build my own. But listen good now. When you is going to make a channel and your channel is about feeding people only, that signifies that you're broke, hungry, and don't have no money. Me see I do some live. You should. What happened to the June where you have on them things? What happened to that? All of that gone? Because all you're thinking about is feeding people. Because you don't even have the money to go and buy the food. If nobody send, hey, listen to me, good. You make the thing look stupid, brother. You don't even have. Oh, hold on, stick up here. Me hear you are say, oh, the people in foreign and England and this and that and make how much money off of you. Oh, you think as a YouTuber? It's only the people in Jamaica make money off of YouTube. If you don't understand that, hey, yeah, listen, Tata Fufu. You see when you're in the US, Canada, or England, YouTube pay you United States dollar. You are Canadian dollar or English pound. So when YouTube pay, let's say YouTube pay you $1,000 US dollar. When YouTube pay me, let's say YouTube pay me $1,000. That's $1,000. If YouTube pay you $1,000, how much money you think that is? In Jamaica. Now my phone with me right now. But let's say US dollar is $160. 1,000 US dollar is $160,000. So you who is in Jamaica benefit more off of YouTube money than we or them who live in Canada or in England. So when you are talking about people that make big money off of you, a chicken feeding them there. When YouTuber pay some of we will live over here over foreign, a chicken money them there. Chicken feed. YouTuber pay, what do you think YouTuber pay? YouTuber pay people in the US, England, Europe, maybe a 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 to 1,000, maybe 2,000. A chicken money that. When you get, that's why me no understand how some of who we done at Jamaica. Now run up and down and I make big channel to make big money, because when YouTube pay, if you work at 10,000 on YouTube and you get paid 10,000, in the US that's 10,000. In Jamaica that's $1,600,000 of that. If you should have get that pay a month from YouTube, that's $1,600,000 and some change. But in the US that's just $10,000. Remember that. And there's a lot you don't know. There's a lot you don't know. You need to sit down and learn, rather than you sit down and act like you think you are the smartest, when, to be honest with you, you is one of the dumbest individual out there. Yes, man. But you know what some talk say? Me just talk straight. Me no beat around bush. me no grow a corner. But my viewers and subscribers, until, hold on. See the guys, so, see me and my onion, my thyme, my scallion, yeah man, so, me and my scotch bonnet pepper in there already. I think I want a little bit more brown in